Welcome back to another iPhone tutorial video. In this video we're going to show you how to crop and rotate your videos on your iPhone. First let's open up the Photos app directly on your iPhone. And then let's select the video you want to edit. Let's tap on the edit button in the top right hand corner. Next at the bottom of the screen you'll see the rotate and crop icon. Tap on it and you can now crop the video to your liking using the square. If you want to mirror the video, simply tap on the option in the top left hand corner. To rotate the video, tap on the rotate 90 degrees icon in the same corner. Keep tapping until you find the right aspect of your video you want. Once you're happy with the edits, tap done in the bottom right hand corner to finalize them. And there you have it. Now you know how to crop and rotate videos on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.